Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your keyboard language on macOS, so you can easily type in multiple languages or switch between different keyboard layouts whenever you want. Let's get started. First, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select System Settings. At the top, use the search bar and type Keyboard, then click on the Keyboard option. Once you're in, scroll down a bit until you see the Text Input section. Here, you'll see your current keyboard language. For example, mine is set to US. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will open a window where you can manage all your keyboard languages. On the left side, you'll see the ones you already have. To add a new language, click the plus button. Then just choose the language you want, pick a layout if needed, and click Add. And just like that, it's added to your list. Now here's a really useful tip. If you want to switch between languages quickly, enable the option to show the input menu in the menu bar. This will add a small icon at the top of your screen, and you can switch languages with just one click. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to switch even faster, which is perfect if you type in multiple languages regularly. And if you ever want to remove a language, simply select it and click the minus button. Super quick, super easy. And that's it. Now you can switch between keyboard languages anytime you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.